Hello and welcome to Learn with Clarity. Today, we're going to talk about some more popular lean tools that can help you optimize your processes and improve your business. In this video, we will be discussing what value stream mapping is and how it can be used to improve your business processes. So, what is value stream mapping? Value stream mapping is a lean management tool used to analyze and improve the flow of materials, information, and activities required to produce a product or service. It is a visual representation of the entire value stream and provides insights into areas where waste can be eliminated, value can be added, and efficiency can be improved. To create a value stream map, you will need to follow these steps. Define the scope of the value stream. Create a current state map of the value stream. Analyze the current state map to identify areas of waste. Create a future state map that eliminates waste and improves efficiency. Implement the changes outlined in the future state map. Continuously monitor and improve the value stream. Let's take a closer look at each of these steps. Step 1. Define the scope of the value stream. This involves identifying the start and end points of the value stream and the processes, people, and resources involved in the value stream. Step 2. Create a current state map of the value stream. This involves mapping out the entire value stream from start to finish, including all the processes, people, and resources involved. This map will help you identify areas of waste and inefficiency. Step 3. Analyze the current state map to identify areas of waste. This involves looking for non-value-added activities, such as waiting, overproduction, defects, and excess inventory. These are areas where waste can be eliminated. Step 4. Create a future state map that eliminates waste and improves efficiency. This involves identifying solutions to the areas of waste identified in Step 3 and creating a map that shows how the value stream will look once these solutions have been implemented. Step 5. Implement the changes outlined in the future state map. This involves making the necessary changes to the value stream to eliminate waste and improve efficiency. Step 6. Continuously monitor and improve the value stream. This involves regularly reviewing the value stream and making changes as needed to continue improving efficiency and eliminating waste. So, why is value stream mapping important? Value stream mapping can help you identify areas of waste and inefficiency in your business processes, improve the flow of materials, information, and activities required to produce a product or service, reduce lead time and cycle time, improve quality, increase customer satisfaction, increase profitability. In conclusion, value stream mapping is a powerful tool that can help you identify areas of waste and inefficiency in your business processes and improve the flow of materials, information, and activities required to produce a product or service. By following the 6 steps outlined in this video, you can create a value stream map that will help you continuously improve your business processes and increase profitability. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on lean management and process improvement.